and Form 2 math syllabus. Form 1 and Form 2 math syllabus, having laid down a few foundational concepts here. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. So I would want us to start with this simple fraction. So fractions here. So what do we have here? So example 1, they want us to evaluate 2/5 divided by 1/2 of 4/9 minus 1/10 all over 1/8 minus 1/16 times 4/5. And they want us to do this evaluation without using a calculator. They want us to do this evaluation without using a calculator. So remember, basically here, they are testing us on this concept of body mass here. How do we combine fractional terms using body mass? Of course, we have brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And whenever, of course, you see powers, like for example, 2 raised to power 3, then this all becomes what here? Order. That first of all, you have to raise before you start dividing. So this O would stand for of, or what here? Order. Order of, power of, like that. So then if I'm given this kind of arithmetics, what I'll do first of all, I'll come and ascertain, in this case here, the numerator separately. So I'll come and do the numerator here separately. So I'll come and mention here, numerator. So we have here numerator. So in the numerator, what do we have? We have 2/5 divided by 1/2 of course is times. So times, in this case here, 4/9 minus, so in the numerator, allow myself here to make this an improper fraction. All right. I would want it, to be like just the numerator and denominator. So how do we do this to change this to numerator and denominator? Then I'll talk of 1 times 10, this 1 times 10 plus 1 for the numerator. So 1 times 10 plus this 1, which gives me what here, somebody? This is 10 plus 1. So this gives me 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10. Are we together up to here? Are you able to mention Y or N? Y for yes, if you are together up to here. Especially how I've been able to convert this to numerator and denominator. We don't want this whole number here. Are we together up to here? Are we together? I can just mention Y for yes. So remember, we shall start with this off. Off here, this multiplication is what we start with. So what do we do here? Of course, I know this will go into this 2 times. So in short, this will be 2/5 divided by, this will be 2/9. 2/9 minus 11/10. We are following body mass. Before I start subtraction, I have to think about what you divide. You can see divide is ahead of subtraction. And remember, this divide, I'll best handle it by reciprocating this fraction, this one here. So then I'm saying that this one will be the same as 2/5 times 9/2. I'm reciprocating. When I use a times here, I reciprocate. When I use a times here, I reciprocate. Reciprocation means what you're changing numerator to become denominator. You reciprocate like that. Still, minus 11/10. Then I can see these 2 and 2 cancelling out, giving me 9/5. 9/5 minus 11/10. Because you see, this and this goes, leaving me with 9/5. minus 11 over 10, which of course is unaffected. So from there, I would want you, ladies and gentlemen, to give me the LCM of these two numbers. LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10. Is there somebody who can give me the LCM there? You can type. The LCM of 5 and 10. 10. So in this case here, I'll come and use 10 as the LCM to be able to subtract the two fractions. Then we ask ourselves a simple question. How many times does 5 get into this? 5 goes into this 2 times. So then 2 times 9, that gives me 18. 10 gets into this once. So 1 times 11, that gives me what here, somebody? 11. 7. Why 7? Okay, the subtraction. So the final answer, my daughter is telling me here that will be 7 over what here? 7 over 10. The final answer will be 7 over what here? Over 10. 7 over 10. Thank you very much. This part. 7 over 10, yes. 7 over 10. So remember, all that we've been doing here is to be able to give us the numerator answer. How about the denominator answer? So you go to the other side and mention, and remember somebody who is in like form 3, form 4, even form 1, you need to be very organized. You need to be very organized for you to score that A. So in this case, you'll come and mention there denominator. So you're writing there denominator, like that. All right. So the denominator, what fractions do we have? We have 1 over 8 minus 1 over 16 times 4 over what here? 5. Remember, we're using body mass. So for body mass, if I look at my 3 fractions, for my body mass, of course, I can see subtraction here. Subtraction is the end thing to be done. Is the end part of this algebra. So in this case here, first of all, I have to do what here? I have to multiply. Because I can see negative and multiplication. So multiplication in this case here takes precedence. So in short, I will multiply first. I'll multiply first here. So of course, when I multiply this and this, gives me 4 there. So basically, this will be 1 over 8 minus, of course, here we have what here? 1 times 1. So that is 1 out of what here, somebody? 20. 1 out of 20, because 4 times 5 gives me 20. So from there, I would want a good student to go ahead and give me the LCM, because I need LCM here, because it's a fraction that I want to subtract them. Unlike multiplication, I don't need any LCM. But for subtraction and addition, I would want LCM of 8 and 20. Is there somebody who can give me the LCM of 8 and 20? Cecilia tells me it is 40, right? Thank you very much. So I will have here the LCM as the base there. Then I ask myself, 8 goes how many times into 40? If 5 times, I'm being reminded here that 8 goes 5 times into 40. So the number of times this numerator 1, that gives me 5. Minus 20 goes how many times into 40? 2 times. So 2 times 1, that gives me 2. All right. So then in that case here, 5 minus 2, that will give me what here? 3 out of 40. 3 out of 40. Now from there, in this case here, now we have here the conclusion. Our conclusion, of course, we know that at the end of the day, they wanted us to look at the numerator and the denominator, and then we divide them. At the end of the day, they wanted us to divide this. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, what these people wanted us to do is to come here. So conclusion. They wanted the numerator figure, which is 7 over 10. Divide this by what here, somebody? Divide this by 3 over what here? 40, like that. Then I'll be able to come and write this very well. This is the same as saying 7 over 10 divided by 3 over 40. For fractions, we do not really have to use this division to really confuse us. For fractions, we would want to convert this to times. So then this will be 7 over 10 times who?
40 over 3.
Thank you very much. We reciprocate, yes. 40 over 3 times 40 over 3, which at the end of the day will end up giving us what here, somebody? This and this goes. 7 times 4 gives us what figure, somebody here? 7 times 4? 28. 28 over what here? 28 over 3, 28 over 3. Now, once you reach here, you don't have to do like any divisions. No. Once you reach here, even if the examiner told you not to use a calculator, here you'll not be able to know that you used a calculator to get like, to change this to an improper fraction. You'll not know that you used a calculator. So what you need to do is to go to your calculator and then you feed this 28 over 3. You say 28 over 3. What are you getting? You get something decimal, decimal, decimal. Is there somebody who has done that? Please just follow my instructions. Say 28 divided by 3. What are you getting there? It has to be something decimal, 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 decimal. 9.333, isn't it? And now the question is, how do I change that figure to a fraction? In some calculators that you have to say there, in some calculators, you have to say there, shift ABC. There's a button called ABC. There's a button there called ABC. If you say shift ABC, there's some other good calculators. You'll simply say, for example, shift SD. Another one, there's a button there called SD. SD. So automatically you'll be able to give you a final answer in the form of what here? A fraction. Which will give us what figure, somebody here? 9, 1 over 3. Is there somebody who has been able to get this 9, 1 over 3 using a calculator? Using a calculator. Using a calculator. Of course, they told you not to use a calculator. Your examiner will be able to see that, hey, this is a very good student who has not been able to use calculator at all. But I mean, it reaches a time where you have also to do what you have to use it in a clever way. In a clever way. So are we able to get this 9, 1 over 3? Remember, for you, time is of essence. Time is a very precious asset in your exam. We need to know how to manage time very well. Otherwise, you'll get yourself in this case here, for example, the examiner is saying 30 minutes to exam time, end time, and here you are, you have only done like half of the paper. That means what here? Getting a C+, getting a B, which is still horrible. To me, mathematics is the only paper that you are assured of getting a clean A from the word go. If you get a clean A in mathematics, then automatically you'll be able to scoop most of the other subjects very, very good grades. Good grades. All right. So up to here, ladies and gentlemen, are we together? I'm not able to see you guys really connecting with me by saying yes or asking questions. If you're not able to follow, you should be able to ask questions. Are we together? Are we together there? All right. At least I can see somebody in this case here putting their thumbs up like this. Putting up their thumbs up like this. I forgot to mention here that this is KCSE Mathematics. Paper 1. You know, paper 1 basically captures which syllabus? Form 1 and Form 2 syllabus. And as I told you the day before yesterday, I told you that was my first lesson. If you want to scoop A very easily, take your Form 1 mathematics very seriously. Don't think that you have got time to waste at school. No, no. We have to hit the road running with speed. Running with speed, because Form 1 mathematics counts a lot. Because Form 1 maths and Form 2 mathematics, that one automatically is what gives us a KCSE mathematics paper 1. 50%, 50%. So most of the topics you're doing in Form 1 will be featuring in paper 1 KCSE. So don't go without understanding any topic. So exercise number 2, example number 2. So example number 2, we are told here to find the reciprocal. So KCSE maths here. KCSE maths here. So we are told here to find the reciprocal. Find the reciprocal. Find the reciprocal of 1 over 4 of 4 over 5. 4 over 5 times 3 over 8. Times 3 over 8 plus into brackets here 1 over 4 divided by 2, 1 over 4. 1 over 4. All right. So in this case, they want me to reciprocate this. But you see, before I start doing any reciprocation here, first of all, I have to use my body mass very well. I have to use my body mass very well to the end. It is the end result that I'll be able to reciprocate. So before I even continue quite a lot, ladies and gentlemen, there are things that I'm able to see using body mass here. Using body mass here, what do I have? Using body mass here, what do I have? So of course, I have the brackets. Of course, these others are, I can even start by knocking off, but let me just go slowly here. So if I'm following body mass, this will be a quarter of 4/5 times 3/8 plus brackets here. So inside my brackets, I have a quarter divided by a mixed fraction. I would want this to be just one fraction, not mixed in the form of whole number and a fraction. No. So how do I change this to a fraction that has got just a numerator and a denominator? Very easy. I'll just multiply here. So this will be 2 times 4 plus the numerator, which is 1. So then that gives me what figure, somebody here? 2 times 4 plus 1. I'm trying to change this. 2 times 4 plus 1. That gives me 9/4. So this will be 9/4 like that. Till I have my brackets on there. So I'll come and say here, I'm giving directions here, a quarter of 4/5 times 3/8 plus 1/4. I have to get rid of that division. So what I'll do, I'll come and say times what over what? I have to reciprocate things. Thank you very much. A very good audience also here in the house. 4/9, like that. So in my bracket, I have this 4 and this 4, giving me 1, isn't it? All right. Then this will end up being 1/4 of 4/5 times 3/8 plus. So this gives me what here? Is it 1/9? Body mass. So I can see the next one to tackle is the off. The off. So fortunately, off, I know off when I want to replace this will be as good as saying what they are types. So then I should be able to knock this and this to give me 1 there. So then this one here will be 1 over what here, somebody?
5.
1/5 times what here? 3/8 plus 1/9 like that. All right, I can see what Rodimi is giving me. So this is a times and a plus. Times must take precedence here. I like times so much because when I'm doing any multiplication, there is no LCM ascertainment. So in this case here, 1 times 3 will give me 3/40, isn't it?
Yes.
3/40 plus what here, somebody? Plus 1/9. Plus 1/9. So then here we need LCM, isn't it? We need LCM. Is there somebody who's able to give me the LCM of 40 and 9? The LCM of 40 and 9. The LCM of 40 and 9. They're giving me Susie 360. The LCM there is 360. I should start giving my presents out. I should start giving presents here. All right. So in this case here, we are adding, and they're telling me that, Mwalimu, you know what? 360 is the denominator here. So then 40 goes how many times into this? You simply say 360 divided by 40. 360 divided by 40. You know the number of times. You guys have calculators. It goes how many times? 9 times. It goes 9 times or 4 times. Use your calculator. Use your calculator, please. Use your calculator. 360 divided by 40 is 9. So 9 times 3 gives me, so 9 times 3 gives me, because you have told me 27 plus 9 goes into 360 how many times? 40 times. So in this case here, 40 times 1. That gives me what here? 40. So then 27 plus 40. So many students will not be able to get it right because they'll forget what the examiner asked. The examiner was after what here, somebody? Reciprocal. The examiner was after you reciprocating now. So you'll come and write in the conclusion, reciprocal. In the conclusion, you'll come here and write reciprocal. That's how you write reciprocal, and let your handwritings be much better than mine. You must learn from a very early age good handwriting. Good handwriting can make you see places that you've never seen before. Ourselves, we never knew about that, so we never practiced. Good handwriting is good. You need this. So reciprocal will be 360 over what here, somebody?
67.
And then you use your calculator. You say 360 divided by 67. You get something point, many points. Because at Form 4 level, if you start doing this thing like this, 67 over 360, trust you me, you are a B student. You're a B student. Once you start using this, you're not an A student. An A student knows they have versatility in using a calculator. So you'll say here 360 divided by 67, it gives you point, isn't it?
Yes.
And then how do you convert now that to a fraction, because this examiner wants fraction? You see, you take, is it function or whatever, SD. Susie, don't write the 5.3. Now know how to change that, Susie, to a fraction. Know how to change that to a fraction. So it will be
25 over 67.
525 over 67, like that. Elizabeth, thank you very much for that. But you need to know how to change now that to a fraction. How do you do this, colleagues?
Shift SD.
Shift SD. There's a button there called SD. Or if you have some other calculator, which is 82, there is one 82, which doesn't have ES, just a plain 82. You'll see a fractional button called AB over C. AB over C. So you say shift AB over C. And then we'll be able to get this value. You'll be able to get this value. Is there somebody who has learned how to change these fractions, how to change decimals to a fraction today using a calculator? Is there somebody who has been able to learn how to do it using a calculator today? All right. Great. I'm so happy seeing colleagues learning new things. And really that's all about academia. In academia, we must know how to get things correct. All right. All right. So now this is what we shall do right away. I will go to an example now which needs this fractional concept, but now it's a narrative. They're narrating things to us. So like now here, we are told a farmer has 10 acres. Example 3. A farmer has 10 acres, of land. 10 acres of land. Full stop. She donates 3 and she donates 3 and a third acres. 3 and a third acres to a school, and uses 3/5 of the remainder for farming. 3/5 of the remainder for farming. Full stop. What size of land is she left with? What size of land is she left with? What size of land is she left with? So remember, if you're coming from especially primary school, you did your KCP last year, chances are you'll be able to get this question pretty fast. But you see, you lack the methodology, and the examiner is marking the method you followed here. KCP, even myself, when I teach KCP students, because I know the exams are multiple choice, all right? There are many shortcuts. But here at the high school, the examiner will mark like method, and then of course you'll have 1 mark for the answer. All right. So in this case, ladies and gentlemen, this farmer has got how many acres here? 10 acres of land. She gives out 3 and a third acres to a school. And the uses, in this case here, 3/5 of the remainder for farming. So we have here total acreage 10. And then she donates 3 and a third to a school. and it uses 3/5 of the remainder. So I'm interested in getting the remainder after remainder. I'm interested in getting the remainder after donation. After donation. After donation. This is very important. I'll write like that and then I'll underline. So remember, she had 10 acres to start with, and she donated how many acres here? 3 1/3. So I need to, these are mixed fraction. I want it to be just one fraction with a numerator and denominator. So then this will be 10 minus 3 times 3. Yeah, 9 plus 1. So this gives us 10 over what here? 3. Of course, I know this 110 must hypothetically be sitting on a 1 which is silent. So then 1 and 3 gives me an LCM of what here? 3. Gives me an LCM of 3. So I'm able to see like 1 into this LCM, 1 into 1 goes 3 times here. So 3 times 10, that gives me 30, yes. Minus 3 goes here only once, times 10, that gives me what here? 10, which will be equal to 30 minus 10, that gives me 20 over 3. Now still, because I haven't finished the whole arithmetic, I don't have to convert this to a mixed fraction. No, I'll just leave it like that. This is what is left after donation, remainder after donation. And then we are told here she donates 3 1/3 acres to a school, and they uses 3/5 of the remainder for farming. So we go to the farm now. Let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm here. Let's go to the farm. So to the farm, what do we have here? So in this case here, farming, underline, very important for you to be using underlinings there. So to farming, they are telling us very well there that, and they uses 3/5 of the remainder for farming. So 3/5 of what is left, and what is the remainder?
20 over 3.
20 over 3. The remainder is 20 over 3. 3/5 of means times 3/5 of the remainder. So times, there is no looking for LCM here. So this will be, of course, this 3 and 3 will cancel out, isn't it? Leaving me with 20 over 5. 20 over 5, I don't have to write it. 20 over 5 is the same as what here? 4. So basically 4 acres went into farming. 4 acres went into farming. 4 acres went into farming. So in this case here, what size of land is she left with? What size of land is she left with? Remember, we have already gotten the remainder after donation, which is 20 over 3. And the 4 now have gone away for farming. So in this case here, conclusion, we have the remainder after donation was 20 over 3 minus what has gone to farming. 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 So 20 over 3 minus 4. So of course, we know hypothetically, this 4 sits on 1, isn't it? So there must be an LCM because of subtraction, which is 3 there. So 3 goes into this once. So that gives me 20 minus. This will go into this 3 times 4, 12. No. This goes 3 times 4, 12, yes. So then that will give me what here at the end of the day?
8 over 3.
8 over 3. And because these are final answer, then I'll use my calculator very effectively. I will tell my calculator 8 divided by 3. And then I say shift ABC, shift SD. Then I'll be able to get, in this case here, ladies and gentlemen, the remainder here. The remainder, which is 2,
2 over 3.
2 over 3. 2 and 2 over 3. 2 and 2 over 3. 2 and 2 over 3. That's the final answer. And double on the line now. Conclusions. The final answers must always be double underlined. Susie is asking a very good question, which in this case here takes me to method number 2. You know here, Susan, look at this. 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 You know, in total, this lady had how many acreage? How many acres? In total, she had 10, isn't it? How many, in this case here, were given out there as a donation? It is 3 1/3. 3 1/3. Is that okay? 3 1/3 was given to donation. And how many were put into farming? Do you remember the 4 were put into farming? To be able to get the remainder. So I'm subtracting in this case here to be able to get the remainder. 3 and a third were given in this case here 4 donations outside they are donated. And then 4 were put to farming. So if I'm using this method, then what will I get at the end of the day? This will be this method 2. This will be 10 minus this is 9. 9 plus 1. That gives me 10 over what here? 10 over 3. 10 over 3. Minus, in this case here, what do we have here? Minus, in this case here, 4. Minus 4. All right. So, of course, here, if I'm the one doing this, first of all, I'll subtract 10 and 4. Because, of course, these are like terms first. 10 and 4, that gives me what here, somebody? 6. So, 6 minus 10 over 3. 6 minus 10 over 3. So now it is from this that I'll be able to create my LCM. All right. Of course, I know this sits on 1. So of course, I know that I'll be able to come here and put a 3 there. So I know that 1 goes 3 times. 3 times 6. This gives me what here? Is it 18?
Yes.
18. In this case here, minus this 1 times 10. So this will end up giving me 8 over what here?
3.
8 over 3. 8 over 3. So I think Susie have been able to answer great. 8 over 3, which will end up giving me 2 and what here? 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3. Susie, great. Now then, ladies and gentlemen, we shall be able to do the last question of today. You told me the first student group that I taught here, they told me, Mwalimu, our lessons in a high school, they go for just 40 minutes. Anything that you take over 40 minutes shall go into waste. That is what they told me, isn't it? Anything that you do over the 40th minute goes into waste. Otherwise, you should only be teaching us for how many minutes? 40. Is that the case? That it should be exactly 40 minutes? It should be exactly 40 minutes. Is that the case? True. It should be 40 minutes, yes, 40 minutes. So I'm giving you a homework, which you should be able to hand back through WhatsApp. You should be able to hand this back through WhatsApp. You should be able to hand this through WhatsApp. This is now where you would be able to get like a present. So we are told here, 3 students, 3 students, A, B, and C. Shared a sum of money. Shared a sum of money. Full stop. A got 2/5. A got 2/5 of it. Comma. B got 5/9. 5/9 of the remainder. While C got what was left. While C got what was left. Like that. If B got shilling 72 less than A, if B got shilling 72 less than A, what was the original sum of money, comma? What was the original sum of money? What was the original sum of who? Sum of money. What was the original sum of money? Let me know once you finish writing this small question. So in this case here, 3 students, A, B, and C, shared a sum of money. A got 2/5. 2/5. So A got 2/5 like this, 2/5, 2/5 of it. B got 5/9. So 5/9. 5/9 is 5/9 of the remainder, while C got what was left. If B got shilling 72 less than A, what was the original sum of money? What was the original sum of money? What was the original sum of money? So I expect you guys in this case here to finish this and send it to us in our respective WhatsApp groups. Of course, now we have a WhatsApp group. Already you have the answer. How much?
1080.
Yes. Yes, somebody already has gotten it. 1080. I can see Claire has also gotten it. 1080. So we have a WhatsApp group for high school students, of course, their parents. I hope you saw that link. Please join that group and ensure that your kid is able to give us, answers. They have to do homeworks. Like, I have a whole, how many questions here? 10 questions for them to do for this topic. 10 questions for them to do for this topic. And then what I shall be doing, I shall also ensure that, especially from tomorrow, I also get to separate Form 3s and Form 4s. All right. So like Form 3s and Form 4s will do the first session with us. And then the second session, they only join them alone. Form 3 and Form 4s, we do matrices, we do calculus like that. And that will make them pass these exams. Otherwise, from me to you, it's Kwaheri for today. See you tomorrow, and tomorrow's class will be much earlier, like 8:30. I'll be able to share the link with you. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've enjoyed the session. All right. So if you can do me a favor, try as much as possible to bring in many students. Most of you guys are, for example, in boarding schools, those parents, in this case, whose children are struggling in mathematics. Bring them the benefit. Thank you, Modeu. Bye. Welcome, Susie. Great. And as you go away, are you able to tell me the schools you guys are studying? Are you able to mention the school, the name of your school? Claire, it will be 8:30. Are you able to mention the name of your school? Mary Hill. Oh, great. Mount Carmel Gone. Great. Yes, I'll be able to send you the video. Yes, Mary Hill happens to be having so many. There must be a good friend. Mamangina. Okay. Kitui School. There must be a good student from Mary Hill here who brought many over there. So tomorrow I'll want to know who Nanyuki High School. I was a student at Nanyuki High School. Those days used to call it Naisco. I used to sleep in a battalion. This guy from Nanyuki High School now motivates me a lot to even do many classes now. I did my high school in 1997 from Nanyuki High School. Austin Hill, oh great, I can see very good schools here. St. George's, great. Kibabi Boys, good. Kibabi Boys, okay. I happen to be knowing most of these schools. Mary Hill, Kitui High School, Form 3. That means I should be able to, having also a Form 3 and Form 4 only sessions, that will really, Mpisha, Chania High School, great. You guys are really in very good schools. We should be able to pass. Somebody has a question here. I don't know whether you are able to type. The famous Baringos Boys School, great. Sami, if you have a question, you can type it there, or you can as well write it down, and then you send it to me through my WhatsApp number directly. 620-183. So tomorrow there is a challenge. I would want you to be like the Mary Hill students. They've been able to call one another very fast here. one another very fast. So I would want to see like the famous Baringo boys school. At least tomorrow you'll be able to get like 2 or 3 boys from Baringo attending here. Otherwise, thank you very much. That is it. Bye. Bye. I will ensure that all of us get the giant Kitui High School. Yes. All of us will be able to get an A. Bye. Bye. Great. Yes, I will share the recordings. Like the recording that we did, of the class that we did on Monday, was it Monday? It's already on YouTube. If you go to YouTube, search Joshua Aura, KCSE, you'll be able to get me there. I've done so many videos there. Thank you. Thika girls, oh, great. Rai girls, okay. I mean, this has been a wonderful cohort, a wonderful group. St. Mary's Buyufu Secondary School Form 3, great. Thank you. Good day, good day.